Here is the Logitech wireless mouse that I wanted to make rechargeable only through a plug without removing the battery, but I ran into some issues. So the change of plan. I took a plug like this with 2 pins from a computer case. Focus. Yeah. I soldered 2 really strong wires to it. So this will be in the hole instead of this module, and the module will be external. So this plug will connect to the battery, and then this module will be external, connected to this plug, which goes into this, like that. So this is a much better solution. If I knew that I was going this route, I would have just made 2 holes here, 2 small holes for the 2 pins to go in. But now it's gonna look a bit ugly, because in the big hole there will be this small plug, like that. Wait, like that. Focus. Yeah, I mean, it's not a problem. I can fill the space with hot glue or something if it bothers me, but yeah, that's how it will look. And these 2 strong wires will hold the plug in place there. So let's remove the old Hey, don't knock the camera. What am I doing here? Man, really sleepy. Yeah, this, and then let's see how do we connect this here. So it will be in that direction, so I'll have to bend the wire, both wires actually. But now I realize that the best idea is to make them go the other way. So this will probably be best if it goes like this and up to the other contact there, because then it will then it will be pushed against this piece of plastic, so when I plug in the plug then it won't slide in or move from its place. So kind of like this, but yeah, this is a really thick wire and it's a bit harder to route, so it has to go like that and more like that here, like that. Yeah, it kind of works. But it's kind of weird. I don't know how much space we have there, but yeah, let me see the top part of the mouse. So there's this wall. I can only put the wire under it, so under this line here. then this wire will go back and forward like this, maybe something like that, because it's too long. So like that, something like that. Yeah, not the prettiest solution, but I think it's okay. So what happened to this one? Okay, now it's even. So let's put some solder on this thick cable. I mean wire, it's not a cable. Yeah, that's a fail. Kind of a fail. That's better. So yeah, the bottom part of this wire, or the whole wire. Yeah, like that. It should be fine. So let me see how this will go in. Push it out the hole like that. Push it down. It doesn't want to go down because there's something in the way. Perfect. Ooh. Route it around. Yeah, I think it works. So I have to take this and bend it here like that and like that, I think. Did I see that right? Nope. More like here. Like that. But come on, I'm being silly here. Go in there. And this one is almost perfect. The blue one is in place. I just have to bend it a little around the scroll wheel and bend it down, and it's there. Perfect, almost perfect, like that. So that's in place. And the other one is almost. Why is it so far? Here's the solder point and here's the end of the wire. So now I have to bend it more. Oh. So it has to come back, maybe with some pliers. Let's bend it back like that. Was that really stupid? Yes, it was. It has to be flat. So like that, and bring it back like that. So let's see the stupidity I did. It's going in. Nah, it kind of works. Like that. And like that. So let's see. This one touches there, but it's free. On the other sides, okay, there's enough space. Okay, so let me just solder it in. And oh, but first, oh boy, maybe if I twist it up like that, it will fit better. Let's see, like that. Oh, there is something in the way again. If I put it like that, yeah. So I should bend it some more, like here, and this up. Like that, okay. Now it fits. Okay. Now it's okay, mostly. Just it will have to go more in. That's from this joint. I mean from this bend. Oh. Yeah, it will be fine. Okay, I'll just solder it in place. I'm done fiddling with it, I think. So, let's put on some solder on the tip. Like that. And solder. Oh boy, the insulation is melting. But it's not a real problem. So, I'll have to bend this one. I have to bend the blue wire so that it will pull the plug, some plug in, because it comes out a bit too much. So like that, and like that, and now solder it. And it's almost perfect. Okay, some solder on the tip. Push it in, solder it on. Perfect. I mean, not perfect, but working. So, this is part one. So the negative is the blue one, the right one, and the positive is the left. Okay, so we'll just wire this plug onto this little module, charging module, and I saw it that here are the positive and negative very close to each other, so I'll just solder this one here, and then make a shape with hot glue, glue it together. It will be just one big plug with the USB cable sticking out. So yeah. This one is off. Okay. So the positive, okay, I mean, it's not ideal, but I wanted the LEDs to face upwards, but they'll face down. But it's not a big problem, I think. Maybe rotate the plug like this. It will fit better. I have to be careful not to melt it. So I just hold it like that. Wait, and like that. Yeah, it works. Some more solder on the other pin. It works. OMG. So that's the positive. I can take down this wire. I don't need this anymore. Okay. Positive, negative. So positive, it's okay. The LEDs will be facing up. So let's try it with a power bank. And the USB. Let's double check it. So that's the positive that goes to the positive port. That's the negative that goes to the negative port. Okay, let's try it. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Oh, first plug it into here. Yeah, first plug it into the module because that's the hardest. Then here into the mouse with the positive there, negative there. Okay, and now plug it into the power bank and it charges. Ta-da! Perfect. So this is a much better solution because then I can use this charger for multiple mice. There will be a challenge. I have this mouse here. I use this daily. Let me just shut this off. So here, this one, let me turn it off. This is... What? They messed this up. It says 5 volts, 30 milliamps. Maybe the receiver. But yeah, that's the receiver. The mouse can't have 5 volts because it has just 2 batteries. So in this battery, this mouse, I will connect each battery to a separate plug, and I will charge them one by one without taking them out. So these are nice little 950 milliamp hour batteries. I just bought them like $1 a piece, and yeah, I don't want to keep taking them out. I will just charge them through 2 of these ports. So yeah, this is another project in the future. Until then, this is kind of nice. Yeah, proud of this achievement. I can pull it out and plug it back in. Okay, maybe it needs to go in a little bit, but it's already usable, and I can charge the battery from the outside. So yeah, here's the last look of my masterpiece. Focus.